तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं यूजीसी नेट जून 2024 कॉमर्स का पेपर सॉल्यूशन. So the question is about matching Indian AS with related Indian AS list. So answer is ऑप्शन नंबर 2. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ही आईएमपी है क्योंकि हर बार यूजीसी नेट का जब भी पेपर होता है ये पूछते ही है ये क्वेश्चन के मैच विद दी रिलेटेड इंडियन एस और अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड. सो वी हैव टू बी केयरफुल दैट वेदर दे आर आस्किंग फॉर इंडियन एस और अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड. So here the answer Indian AS1 is about presentation of financial statement. Indian AS2 is about inventories. Indian AS16 is about property, plant and equipment. Indian AS18 is about revenue. So here answer is option 2. The next question is a particular combination of product, its price, the method of promoting it, and the ways to make the product available to customer is marketing mix. Remember that it is not marketing, it is termed as marketing mix. The option is 3 marketing mix. Another question, the minimum capital prescribed by the RBI for starting a new small financial bank is rupees 200 crore. That is your option 2, 200 crores. Next question, who has stated this performance appraisal too often degenerates into a dishonest annual rituals? The answer is option number 2, Armstrong and Moles. This question is related with the exemption, and exemption chapter is most important for the UGC NET exam because every year you notice that question from this particular topic has been asked for the last so many attempts. So here the answer is option number 1, whereas agriculture income is related with section 10 subsection 1, and amount received on voluntary retirement is considered under section 10 CC, and house rent allowance is exempted under section 10(13)(a), whereas provident fund is exempted under section 10 subsection 11. Next question. Under section 44AB of income tax, audit is compulsory if a person is carrying on business whose gross turnover exceeds rupees 1 crore. So the answer is option number 2, rupees 1 crore. Earlier this limit was 15 lakh, but after the amendment the amount is increased up to rupees 1 crore. So the answer is option number 2, rupees 1 crore. Next question. Here the theories of motivation are given, and list 2 is about pro-founder. Here the answer is option number 3, whereas need hierarchy theory is related with Abraham H. Maslow. ERG theory related with Sigmund Freud, and so on. So here the answer is option number 3. Moving further, which of the following is substantive document used in foreign trade? The answer is option number 1, commercial invoice. Next question, which one of the following Provident Fund is set up under the Provident Fund Act 1925? The answer is option number 1, Statutory Provident Fund. who has given a new school of thought known as Principles of Management or the Management Process School? The answer is Henry Fayol. Option number 2, Henry Fayol. Here the question is about matching provisions under the Central Goods and Service Tax Act 2017 with list 2 of provisions in the chapter. So here the answer is option number 2, where levy and collection of tax is covered under chapter number 3, whereas registration is considered under chapter number 4. Input tax credit is covered under chapter number 5, whereas payment of tax is considered under chapter number 10 of Central Goods and Service Tax Act 2017. I am repeating, answer is option number 2. Next question. The bailment of goods as a security for payment of a debt or performance of a promise is called pledge. Option number 2, pledge. The answer is option number 2, pledge. And if you want detailed explanation about the question, then let me know in the comment section so that I will make another video, detailed video about the paper solution. Thank you for watching video. Stay tuned for the next part. Thank you so much once again.